Do you want Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself to hold your hand and take you to heaven? So let me tell you, before that, share this video as charity, share this hadith. You will get many rewards from it. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever says radithu billahi rabba wa bil islami deena wa bi Muhammadin rasula in the morning, I guarantee that I will hold his hand until I enter it in paradise. And in another hadith, the Prophet said, there is no Muslim, nor any person, nor a slave of Allah, who says in the morning and in the evening, radaitu billahi rabban wa bil islami dinan wa bi Muhammadin nabiyyan. I am content with Allah as my Lord, Islam as my religion, and Muhammad as my prophet. But he will have a promise from Allah to satisfy him on the day of resurrection. I want you to share this hadith a lot. I want you to share it with your brothers and Muslims so that they can also benefit through you. I have a question to ask you. Give me the answer in the comments. Which prophet is known as the close friend of Allah, and what is their title?